Hey, hope you guys are doing well. This is Edgar from Solo Marketer, and I'm going to quickly show you how to change the favicon on systeme.io. So let's get right to it. So the first thing you want to do, obviously, log into the account, and then you go to over here, your profile icon, click on settings, and then you go to custom domains. You click on it. It shows all of your domains that you have there. So you might have some custom ones. This is a free account and there's nothing. It's just, there's like the basic one. But for whichever domain you want to set the favicon or change it, you just go to three dots, settings, click on choose file, select whatever image you're going to have, click upload, and save. So now we're going to go double check whether it's there. So let's go to funnels. I have a few funnels just set up. Let's just check one of them. And there we go. It's here. So quick and easy and painless. Yeah. So if you have any questions, comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.